Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your tag photos in your Facebook profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon at the top right here and now tap on the setting gear. Scroll a little down to find the activity log, and here you can see activity log. Now you have to tap on your activity across Facebook. Tap on it. Now here you can see activity you are tagged in. Tap on manage tags, and now here you can see my this photo was tagged in. So to remove this photo, only I can do is tap on three dots, and here you can see remove tag. If I tap on it, you can see my tag photo is removed. So guys, this is how you can remove tag in your Facebook profile. So hope you guys like my video, and please guys consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.